Hi, I'm Teia Golden, and on this channel we talk about all things McCall. Today we're going to tour a town that's close to McCall. The name of it is Donnelly. So if you're thinking about moving to Idaho or buying a vacation home and you want to know more about the area, this video is for you. Today we're going to tour Donnelly, and it should answer all of your questions about what you might want to know. Donnelly, Idaho is located between McCall, Idaho and Cascade. Donnelly is on the northern section of the Cascade Lake and hosts the location of Tamarack Resort. Tamarack has skiing in the winter and some of the best mountain biking in the summer. Tamarack is a high-end resort that reminds me of a mini Vail. It has a lodgy, German feel. They host several events in the summer and winter for kids and families to attend. Since Tamarack is opened, there are several restaurants to choose from in the resort area, and then there's a few in downtown Donnelly. The downtown of Donnelly is not as extensive as Cascade or McCall. It still has plenty of room for growth. What I like about Donnelly is I feel it's a little more quiet. It's on the non-motorized section of the lake, perfect for paddleboarding, kayaking, or fishing. If you live in Donnelly and you want to go to medical or a grocery store, you would drive to McCall or Cascade for those services. Donnelly does have its own elementary school, but the middle and high school are located in McCall. And McCall is known for having some of the best schools in the state. So thanks for taking this tour of Donnelly, Idaho. Hopefully it's answered all of your questions about the area. If you have more questions, feel free to call me. I get phone calls all the time with people that have questions about McCall, Donnelly, Cascade, and I'm happy to answer any questions. And if you've liked this video, it's given you more information, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.